On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Would you look here? Damn snow. What's up, Minitruck? Well, looks like it's time to hack that muffler off. I see it has a catalytic converter and it had a wire coming off of it. I thought it was an O2 sensor, but then the more I thought about it, how can it have a non-feedback carburetor? That sensor's just if the catalytic converter is overheating. I disconnected it yesterday, drove it around, no light came on. I guess all that's coming off. And Jeffro gave me this old Harley muffler. I'll try. See how that fits.
That's what she said!
Worth a shot. No going back now. There. I definitely got to start this to see what it sounds like with no muffler. Open headers, baby. What kind of rubber cap will fit over that? I don't know. Cap off of a paint spray can. Looks pretty close. Just a little bit too small. Oh, maybe not. Need a little bit of influence. Jesus. There's like a... Now we make it like a jigsaw puzzle. Except some of them you can't get at all. Damn, that thing's heavy. You want to hear it, don't you? I sure do. Yeah, let's see what she sounds like. Pretty loud. Oh, damn. Blew my camera over. Good thing it didn't break. Oh. It's got a little spring pivot type connector on there. That's pretty good. Maybe. Not too bad. Except now I gotta get a bracket to go from this. And then do a little temporary hookup so we can take it for a test drive. Several people said it made a difference power wise. This old Harley muffler. Let's see. Go for a ride, Minnie. That's not terrible. Probably be better once I put a 90 on it, maybe. Big 2020 snowstorm. I don't notice too much difference. Boy, these bounce just like bias plies for being radials, though. I don't know if any of you guys are old enough to remember having bias ply tires.
Hepbridge Farm remembers.
Nah, I don't really notice much more horsepower, to be honest. Yeah, boy. Yeah, girl. Man, need a little side pipe or elbow next time I get to the auto parts store. Maybe higher RPMs. Maybe a little more noticeable on high RPMs, slightly.
I saw this old ride listed for sale, 10 years old, and it looked like hell. All my friends said don't, I replied, oh Lord, it's an F-150 long bed Ford. It stores my tools, can haul a load, but it drinks up gas, and now I'm broke. Well, I jacked it up, put on lifted off-road tires with B-locks on. Dude, it's got a little attitude, ain't it grand? It does the mud as well as the sand, it defines me who I am. It's more than practical, it's a statement. If you ever think I'll sell it, good luck. American made, and it's my truck.
Well, thanks for that song, Josh. Get your own copy at SoundCloud. Links in description. Little louder than I'd like, but oh well. Harley muffler. Those things are no joke. Oh boy. Wow. Got a few going out.
F-150, baby.